Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing this automatic pet feeder. This is a medium size for all cats and dogs. This is set to hold a 3.8 liter of water. Alright, so this here has the option of choose of four different colors. It comes in gray, blue, green, and pink. So these are the gray ones. See, these are really nice. They've got a really deep hold of the food and water. It holds up to 3.8 liters, which can last about 7 days for small pets, 3 days for big pets. So this is the water container. When you want to put it back in, you just pop it back in here. They have a top part. This is the food part, but in the water one, it has a top part which doesn't do anything. It just makes it look nice. So this is a food spout. This is where you will lift it up to put the food in there. It has a nice deep spout, so it'll hold a lot of food. This is easy to clean. Barrel and chassis of the automatic feeder can be split so you can rinse directly with the water. It is recommended that you wash this once a week just to make sure it doesn't get any bacteria for your animals. So this is what the food looks like. Here is the water container. So the water container has a really big, deep V shape to give a lot of water in there. This is an anti-skid bottom. It has a really big, deep groove. So you want to lift off the water. You pull it up like that. Here is the spout design. It is a big groove. You just remove this to add the water. The one I had before had like a paper thing right here, so it didn't hold it very well, and it did leak and it ripped after a few months. So that's good that it is a plastic. And then here's the water jug itself. The top does not have a water opening. It just has this top over to make it match with the food one. So the food dimensions are 5.9 inch by 12.6 inches by 6.7 inch. Now the water container is 5.9 inches wide, 12.6 inches high, and 6.7 inches wide. So down here you have little grooves. This is where you'll put your skid mark little placers right here. Because it is anti-skid. The feeder has it as well. So the food can hold up to 7 times of the 300 gram foods, and the water can hold up to 550 milliliters. So you can see it's really deep in there. When you want to fill up the food, you just open the lid, add the food, and put the top back on. With the water, you'll need to unscrew it from the bottom, add the water, tighten the cap, and put it upside down onto the water spout. So there's nothing there. You just go ahead and put it on there. It's just basically for look. So this can be used with both cats and dogs. The measures are 35.5 by 17.5 by 27 centimeters. The large capacity 3.8 liter can last about 7 days for small pets, 3 days for big pets. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and feed it to my dogs so they can see how these new ones look. And right now we've got our water in there, and we have our food, and this is my dog. Her name is Footsie. And then I have another Chihuahua. Her name is Abby. Right here. Seems to me that they do like this food bowl. The last one was a little bit wider, but it wasn't as deep, so this holds a lot more in there, not worrying about having to spill the dog food or the water. They seem to love it. I think they look really nice. It holds up a lot of food and water, which is great, especially here in Arizona. Being so hot, my dogs are constantly needing water, so this will always keep them hydrated. If you're looking for a pet feeder and water, I would say check this one out.